I've got the iPhone 16 Pro Max here, and I'll be showing you how to change photographic styles after the fact. So basically how to change photographic style after the photo has been taken on your iPhone 16. So just go to your gallery and select that photo. So let's pick this one for instance. So just tap on the edit button at the bottom there, and then you should see styles. Okay, now if you want to, you can tap on that and mess around with that particular style, which is the neutral style as a default that I have set, or you can go to these styles. You can go to the amber style, you have the gold, and once you select gold, you can tap on that and then adjust the intensity. Okay, so you can see that's zero intensity, and that's the maximum intensity. So you can see it actually changes. Now you can also use this to move the tone and color saturation to whatever level you want. Okay, and then once you're happy, you can tap on the photo itself, and that's going to be the new photographic style. And you can do that for all the others. So you have gold, rose gold, you have amber, you have neutral, and then you have cold rose. So all these are photographic styles you can change, and even after changing, you can go ahead and adjust them to your liking, just to customize them a little bit further. So once you're happy with your photo, just tap on done in the top right corner, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and maybe even subscribe for more tips, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.